These are SpaceX's biggest milestones to date. In September of 2008, SpaceX's Falcon 1 rocket took off from Amalek Island, making it the first time a privately owned liquid-fueled rocket reached Earth's orbit.
Falcon has cleared the tower.
The Falcon 1 successfully delivered a non-functional spacecraft into orbit. In July of 2009, the Falcon 1 rocketed into space again and became the first privately owned liquid-fueled rocket to deliver a satellite into orbit around the Earth. That satellite was Malaysia's Razaksat satellite, which is currently in a near equatorial orbit around the planet. In December of 2010, the Falcon rocket blasts off into history again from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, carrying SpaceX's Dragon capsule. SpaceX successfully recovers the Dragon spacecraft after 3 hours in orbit, parachuting back into the ocean. This is the first time a mission like this has been carried out by SpaceX. In May of 2012, the Falcon 9 becomes the first privately owned spacecraft to dock with the International Space Station. SpaceX delivers food, water, and clothing to the astronauts on board the ISS. The delivery also included the ashes of more than 300 deceased people, including the remains of Star Trek actor James Doohan, better known as Scotty from the iconic TV series.
I must confess, gentlemen, I've always held a sneaking admiration for this one.
In December of 2013, the Falcon 9 took off again, but this time entered into a geosynchronous orbit around the Earth. A geosynchronous orbit is when the spacecraft orbits the Earth at the same speed as the Earth's rotation. In April of 2016, the Falcon rocket completes its first successful ocean landing on the now famous SpaceX drone ship. This is a first for any space program in history. In March of 2017, the Falcon 9 rocket completes the first relaunch and landing of a used orbital rocket. This is a big win for SpaceX and proves their concept of a reusable rocket booster. In June of 2017, the Falcon 9 Dragon capsule completes its first reflight of a commercial spacecraft to the International Space Station.
Three, two, one, ignition. Falcon Heavy.
In February of 2018, the Falcon Heavy is launched and becomes the world's most powerful rocket. This launch marked the first time a pair of recycled rocket boosters helped send a heavy payload into space. That payload was Elon Musk's personal Tesla Roadster, carrying a dummy named Starman. Both rocket boosters traveled back to Earth after the launch and landed simultaneously at Cape Canaveral in Florida. In March of 2018, SpaceX launches its 50th Falcon 9 rocket and successfully delivered a Spanish communications satellite into orbit. So what's next for SpaceX? Elon Musk has said the ultimate goal is to send humans to Mars and for Earthlings to become an interplanetary species. Stay tuned to CNET for more SpaceX news, and be sure to check out CNET's new What the Future show at Facebook Watch.